Hey guys, what is up and welcome to another video. You don't know where I'm going today. I'm going to Balewadi Stadium because there is a festival going on called as Dynamo Sports Festival. It is going to be a bodybuilding show type thing, and me and my brother are going to attend it. So बहुत मजा आने वाला है. People like Sahil Khan are going to be present there. This all happened very fast. Randomly मेरे भाई ने मुझे कॉल किया and he asked me काय करतोस, क्या कर रहे हो आज. So I said कि जर्मन का क्लास है and all, and like he asked me कि bodybuilding का show है, would you be coming, and I said yes without any second thought. I'm really exciting because I haven't seen anything like this in my entire life. कि actually stage पे लोग कैसे posing वगैरह करते हैं. So this is my brother Prathamesh. So what he does for a living is he's into digital marketing, he's into designing, he's into branding things, and he has tons of clients. So he's hell of a rich guy. And you know what he has designed? He has designed a template, a pamphlet kind of as he has designed a brochure / catalog for these people, and it looks like this. It looks like this. The cardio section and plate loaded equipments, all the machines and all. Wow, pen loaded equipments. The details of that design. Amazing though. Amazing. That is Traceling, guys. Very nice company and gives very nice package. So we have arrived at the stadium after 40 minutes of being in the car. So we are pretty much excited for this. Let me show you the poster. So ये है basically. So price में it is 3 BMW bikes and price is worth 20 lakhs. Not prizes, cash prize worth 20 lakhs. So it is pretty much a big show that you are gonna attend. Stay tuned for what is gonna happen next. Look at that, guys. Beautiful. This is the venue, everyone. And that's Sahil Khan. So this is that place. So this is where, guys, the people do the registration. So मेरे भाई ने इनकी ब्रांडिंग किया. Guys, देवराज पंत का न्यूट्रा वे. Let's go. This is amazing. Crazy. Look at all these equipments, guys. So we have arrived at our stall. And these are the equipments that we have. Look at this, guys. The place is so huge. And there are all the stalls for equipments, for supplements, for all kinds of things. So these are the designs that my brother made. You can look at this. This looks so professional, man. I mean, look at this. And now it's time to try the equipments. And we're gonna try with lat pull down machine. So right now I just did 4 to 5 reps of this lat pull down machine. Let me tell you, the squeaking sound that you get, right? जो ऐसा metal का जो sound होता है वो जो आता है, that is not here. The machine is totally smooth. Like the feel that you get when you pull the lat pull down, it is so nice. Let me tell you guys, the machines are more superior to the free weight. Right now, the movement that I have with incline bench press, it is limited with my chest level, right? I can take it beyond my chest level to feel that stretch. We can use this machine to benefit us from that. Right there, guys, I can see protein water that Amul has launched. बहुत सही. So right now, guys, we are done with the Jaguar strength. Now it's time to try the few more stalls and check उनके equipments कैसे हैं. So let's try with Impulse. Let me tell you guys, the whole movement that we have for the whole, from your 0th point to your nth point, the finish point, the whole trajectory is defined pehle se hi. So it becomes easier and more versatile to pull the bar down. It gives you that stretch that a normal traditional that pull-up machine doesn't give you. This is the thing that he imagined on his iPad, and this is the thing that he have made in actuality. Amazing, just amazing, guys. क्या सही लग रहा है ये. So guys, we are at Real Leaders USA and we're gonna try their equipments. So the owner was so nice. He just came out of nowhere and asked if mic चाहिए या नहीं. And we just took their mic and we are gonna start recording now. So this is a rowing machine that we have here. So we are trying with the bar right now. I would rate this machine 9 out of 10. So a pretty much good thing that we have here. Now we are gonna try the OHP machine for shoulders and let's see how does that goes. I don't know if मुझे ये weight जाएगा या नहीं, but let's give it a try. I really love the mechanics of this machine, to be honest, because right now below my leg what I have is this thing, which will help me mobilize myself as well as the set that I do. So let's give it a try. So when I press this, the grip वो भी थोड़ी ऊपर आ जाती है. Let's try this. Lightweight. I think I've just hit my PR, guys. My PR is 40 kgs for dumbbells, but मैं अभी 50 kgs से I'm doing OHP. I love this machine and I would give it a 9 out of 10. I would love to thank allintofitness.in. Love their machines, to be honest. All the machines that I used, it really gave me that kind of stretch that I wanted, which we do not experience in the free weight, right? When you use free weight, you care about the balance that you have to maintain. But machines, बहुत सही थी. I love these machines, to be honest. Guys, the machine that you see behind me, Saket Gokhale uses this machine. Saket Gokhale uses this machine. So pretty much excited for this. Right now, guys, we're gonna try a rowing machine. This machine right here, guys, is imported from Spain, and we're gonna try it just right now. The grip that I'm gonna prefer is this one, and let's try it now. We are right now at Explores Expo and here I'm gonna try few of their machines and बहुत fresh लग रहे हैं machines इनके. That's why I'm gonna give it a try. Let's go. We're gonna try this machine now. The weights that you see right here, these balls are filled with water because we train the intrinsic muscle using that. I mean, the guy from Explore sees it. So we are gonna try this out and check how does it feel. You can feel the difference between both. Yes, that's the main goal of the training. Stability. So you just saw the video, right? अंदर जो पानी था, it was constantly moving. So it made difficult for me to balance out the weight. And मेरे हाथ ऐसे हिल रहे थे. And now our friend is gonna attach a bungee to it. Let's try with a bungee. So this is suspended using a wire, a rubber, in my opinion. So let's see. Just move it slowly. Try to control the weight. Yeah. One more. Come on, easy. Push. Nice one. That's it. So guys, that is it for this video. I know I couldn't see or show you guys the bodybuilding show, but I'm really getting late for my class. और 4 बजे class है, so I need to reach my home at 3. I need something because मैं सुबह से कुछ नहीं खाया. And really thanks to my brother here. He gave me opportunity to see something like this with my own eyes. So that is it. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. And if you've watched till here, please leave me a like. And if you have any thoughts about the video, please leave me a comment. तब तक के लिए bye.
Bye.